This is Ruben, and this is Ship Stories number 17. All the way in the back, you can see the Tuzla Bay and all the shipyards lined up, one next to each other. It's dozens of them, and they are extremely busy. What I learned this week is, due to the COVID lockdowns in China, a lot of business has come to Turkey. And although they expect some of it will return to China, the customers have found Turkey for repair, where a good price and good quality is key. And as you saw yesterday, I have the chance to give presentations to young groups of engineers that really understand their work, and it's great to learn them more about fire safety and to learn from them. It's been a fantastic week, and only thanks to Bulutlu Marine, and especially organizing talent and sales tiger Celine. So thank you very much, Celine. You did a great job. We drove around a lot. We went to many meetings, and I'm very excited that we had meetings with Molslinje for the Danish ferries that they are building in Cemre shipyard, and we had meetings with Tersan. I did a mock-up at Turquoise yachts, and many things more. It's been a great week, little exhausting, really nice to be out here in Turkey again. I'm looking forward to come back soon. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic Easter with family and friends. Hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.